Okay, dear friends, in this video, I like to talk about scapy and other enumeration tools. Although scapy can provide functions beyond enumeration, it can do like packet forging, can sleeving the packets, even can attack the target. So, this is another fantastic tool. And in most cases, the scapy can be working as third-party module. This module can be imported into the Python program or Python code. Okay, of course, scapy itself can run as a standalone because this can provide the interactive shell which is based on the IPython. So let me show you. Okay, here as you can see, the scapy is a Python program, can give us the functions to interact with the packets. For example, like send the packet, can sleeve a packet, can dissect a packet, can forge a packet. So a lot, very important and very useful too. As pen tester, I think we need to grasp this technique. In this video, I will not expand too much, just give you some, a bit introduction about the scapy. Okay, let's go into the Kali Linux VM. To launch scapy, we just run scapy command. If the scapy is by default installed on our Kali Linux distro, if not, you can use people to install. The installation itself is very easy. As you can see here, we can create or generate a packet. For example, if we want to create the packet to identify or discover or make host discovery, we can the packet. As we know, the packet should be consisting of two layers, at least two layers. We do not need care about the underlying layer Ethernet. We want to care about the IP layer and the ICPM layer. Okay, so which option or which field we need to configure, you do not know, right? Of course, you can get such information by googling or make some research. However, we can use this way. I always use the way. For example, the show command, show function, and this will show you how many fields are available for the packet. For example, like a version, you can modify the version and also the tools and the length, the ID number. Some of the options or fields will be modified automatically. For example, like a checksum. Yeah, right now, no checksum. And the ICP layer, the type is echo request. And another one is echo reply. And the code is 0. Checksum also as well. And ID. So now we can know which field is required to configure. Okay, so IP, at least the destination should be configured, and this one and the ICMP. I think we can use default type and the code. If you want, you also can put the payload. I do not want to do that. Press enter, and then you can show the packet again. As you can see, the source appearance will be added automatically, and also the TTL value, just as you can see over here, and also the ID, length, and here. So now we can send this packet to our target. For example, we can use response, and we can use the function SOR1. It means that send packet and want to receive one packet, and we can packet, and timeout is 1 second, and the verbose is false or true. It depends on what you want to specify. Let's press enter. Okay, sorry. So operation not permit. So it means that we need to run as sudo scapy, and then we can do the same thing quickly. Packet And IP layer DST is our Metasploit 2, and ICMP, and then we can send this by function SR1. It means that to send a packet and receive one packet, and the packet timeout is 1 second, and the verbose is false. And then we can display the response. Yeah, response summary. Okay, so as you can see, we got the response. So from this one, we can tell that the target is online. If you send the packet to, the destination is different IP address, which is not online, and then you will not get such a response. For example, I will show you the packet. We can modify to this one. I know this one is all offline, and then we can send the packet, as you can see, until timeout, and you can respond. No, none. It means that we didn't receive response from the target. Okay, so why scapy is so powerful? As you can see, packet show, we can modify any field you can see over here, like source IP address, so you can forge your source IP address. Also like the code, also the type, anything, the ID number, anything you can modify. So I think from this you can know it's powerful, okay? Or it's power, sorry about that. And then next, yeah, I have already demonstrated here that create a packet and can send and receive packet. And if you want to get the field value of, for example, like response, of course we need to do it again quickly, and the response and the response. Okay, response. If we want to get the for example the field, like this field, yeah, or this field, doesn't matter, we can put the IP and proto. Yeah, we got the one. This is the code for this protocol. And if you want to get the source IP address, we can put SIC. Yeah, this is the source IP address. This is our Metasploit 2. If we want to get the ICMP, and we want to get which field, like this one, or yeah, this one, or type, maybe type. Yeah, this 0 means the echo reply. Okay, and then we can want to get the like yeah, 0 as well. Let's go back to my point. Scapy can provide more, sending function like send. Yeah, this function just, this one works at the layer 3. And the scapy itself will create the layer 2 header. We do not need to, configure it by us. And will not receive any packet, just send, that's all. And another send function is send p. Similar to this one, however, this one works at the layer 2. You need to, or we need to provide the layer 2 header, okay, like a MAC address, the destination MAC address, and also does not receive any packets. And this one, yeah, will send packets and receive answers, and we return the tuple. And the first one list contains stimulus response couple, and the second list contains the unanswered probes. And the last one I have already demonstrated will send and receive only first response. Okay, if the destination send back more response, just receive one, the first one. Okay, and how to extract different fields of response I've already showcased just now. Next one is the DNS enumeration, and the first command is who is. Very easy to understand. We can quit from my, the scapy shell. We can use the who is. For example, like like Sohu. Yeah, we can get the result from. Also, you can use the the online website to do the enumeration. I mean the DNS enumeration. You can get like a register, the address, email, and also the name server. Okay, and also the online tools. If you can open up the Firefox, I will not do that. Sorry. Okay. The next one is DNS alarm, and this one is also can help us to gather information about the domain. You can get the A record and also get the name servers and also the MX record in relation to the mail server, and also can perform AXFR. This is some sort of a zone transfer. If the DNS server is misconfigured or allow transfer, and then we can utilize this point to get much more, including the subdomain information. Okay, many different types of information can be retrieved by this command. And also here next would be root or route information, trace route. For example, we can trace route to our Kali Linux, or not Kali Linux, to our Metasploit. Of course, here, just we are in the same network, so we'll be very quick. And also, similarly, we can use trace, TCP. Which one? Trace. So which one? Your TCP, sorry about that. TCP traced, and we can follow by the IP address or the target. Yeah, we can. Ronnie, you do not have the privilege. Okay, we got the result. Of course, these utility are different. The trace route, this maybe you will be more familiar with this one, will send a UDP or ICP echo request. However, some firewall will drop or block this kind of a packet. So this is the scheme of the trace route or route. We'll send UDP or ICP echo request, and we'll get if the host get such a packet, will decrement the TTL value. So by this one, we can send, for example, we can send the first packet until it reaches the first host or router, and then we'll reply back. And then we know, yeah, this should be the first route, and then send the second packet, and the TTL value would be, will be incremented. Okay. And the major difference between these two utilities is this one is based on the TCP SYN. This one is more reliable, and in many cases will not be blocked by the firewall. Okay. So that's all I'd like to do in this video. Okay, thank you. Bye.